Hello students, let us move for the third sum in the exercise 10.3. 4x square by you want to find the roots by the completing square method. So in the third one, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to the 0. So first method I told you what you want to do. First step is divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x square. Divide the whole equation. These steps are very important. Note down. Divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So which is that coefficient of x square? That is 4. Which is the coefficient of x square? That is 4. So we have to divide that by that. If you are going to divide, the here coefficient of x is x square. If you are going to divide by 4, 4x square divided by 4 plus 4 root 3x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 0 by 4, nothing but 0 only, right? Okay. So if you are doing like that, next step is 4 get cancelled and 4 get cancelled. The remaining is here x square plus root 3x plus or we can equalize here equal to the, if it is shift to the plus 3 by 4 constant term to RHS, it will become the minus 3 by 4. We can write like that. Okay. Second step I told you already, after we did like that, add both the side the half of the square of the coefficient of x. Okay, add both the side, keep these 2 points very important. Add both the side the half of the square of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ that square we want to take. So that means the coefficient of x is here, that is nothing but the root 3. That half of the, in the sense half into root 3 coefficient of x, and that square want to take. Okay, keep that thing in a mind. So that means 1 by 2 here inside, root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 whole square, it will become nothing but 2 and square root and square will be cancelled here. 3 divided by 2 square means 4. So we will get the 3 by 4. Add that 3 by 4 now on both the side. Add 3 by 4 on both the side. If you are going to add that will become x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 to the LHS, as well as we want to add for the RHS also, minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, hope you will understand this. So the next step is, so this thing we can write, I told you already, we can write this as 3 by 2 whole square, nothing but root 3 by 2. So we can write this as x plus root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square, that equal to here minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 get cancelled, that nothing but 0. Okay, because here 3 root 3 into root 3 we will get 3 only, and for 4 the square number is 2. By this we can get this. Okay, this number x is common here, x plus root 3 by 2. Keep that thing in a mind. How can we get the b here? By using a constant term. Okay, that square if you are taken, it's enough here. Okay, don't get confusion how you want to take. So this square if you are taken, that's square roots if you are taken, that's enough. 3 we can write as root 3, and 4 square number will be the 2. Okay, that's all. So this as we will get this. Next is x plus 3 by 2 whole square equal to the 0. If we are divided by making a square, if you are not possible to make it as a square, 0 square nothing but 0 only, like that also we can take, or taking square. So if you are writing 0 square nothing but 0 only, so here square get cancelled, remaining is x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to plus plus or minus. Always if you are taken a square, it will come plus or minus root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. That means x plus root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So sorry, here we can take x plus or minus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. That means x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0, or x minus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. The next step is, so if x plus root 3 x equal to what happen? Minus root 3 by 2, or here x equal to plus root 3 by 2. So the roots are okay, plus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So this is the method of what finding the roots by completing square method. Hope you will understand. Okay, this is a very important, which one we want to take. So if we are taken that square number, we will get. Okay. So next one, we have to move for the fourth one here. So that is, the fourth one is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Let us write that 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation. First step I told you already, divide the equation by the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2 here. So write the first step, divide the equation by the coefficient of x square is, which is, what is that? 2. Okay, by this we want to do divide that. Let us divide 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 equal to 0. 0 by 2 nothing but 0 only. We can write directly. So here 1s are and 2 2s are here. So this thing we can write as, x square plus, we can write it into 1 by 2 into x equal to the, so if it is plus 2, if it is shift to the LHS, it will become minus 2. Okay, so this is the half of the coefficient. Okay, right. So next we have to take the second step, add both the side, what you want to add? Half of the square of the half of the coefficient of x square, half of the square of the coefficient of x. First we are taking x square, now x. Okay, so which is that coefficient of x? Nothing but half. That means half into half that square. Okay, so here we will get in a bracket 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. Numerator want to multiply. So that square, that means 1 square means 1, 4 square means 16. So add 1 by 16 on both the side here. So that nothing but x square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16 equal to the 2. Okay, so that is minus 2 plus 1 by 16. We want to add for LHS as well as RHS. Okay, so this thing we can write as in the a plus b whole square formula. Last term I don't know, last term you have to take. So square number for 16 is 14. So we can 4 we can take as 1 by 4 whole square. So it will become a plus b whole square. So that equal to, if we are taken a LCM 16 here, 16 to the minus 32 plus 1. Okay, 16 get cancelled, that is minus 32 plus 1. So it will become x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to minus 32 plus 1 is minus 31 divided by 4. Minus 31 divided by 4. So here if you are doing a square numbers also, but square number cannot be negative, square number negative value not there, no. So that's why this quadratic equation square cannot be negative. Okay, we can write here square numbers negative number not there, square number, because if you are taken two numbers also, minus 2 into minus 2, we will get positive only. Square number we will not get any negative number. So that's why square number is not negative, is not negative. So the roots are, no real roots are not exist. We can write the roots are not exist, not exist, roots say illa idakke anta, or not real, we can write that as or not real. So next thing we have to go for that, find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the formula, that is the second main in the exercise 10.3. Find the roots of following by applying formula, by applying formula. One formula will be there, so you have to note down that formula, which is that quadratic equation formula. The quadratic equation formula is quadratic to find, okay, quadratic equation formula to find the roots or to find the x value, to find the roots or x value, that is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Note down this formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. This formula we only want to use if they are asking find the roots by applying the formula. So this formula you have to use, that is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Once again I'll repeat you, x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, let us solve first sum in this, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So we know that quadratic equation is in the form of, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Write the general form of quadratic equation to solve in this method, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So let us write the values of a how much here, a equal to 2, then b equal to, b in the place of b how much is there, that is minus 7, and in the place of c how much is there, 3. So this is the value of a, b and c. Okay, so let us apply the formula, that is let us take the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to substitute the values of this bac. B value is minus 7, so minus of minus 7, minus will be already is there, and b value minus of minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square in the sense minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3 divided by, that divided by 2 into a value is 2. So that equal to the, okay, x equal to the minus into minus is plus here 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 whole square in the sense minus 7 into 7, minus 7, that is 7 7s are 49. Minus into minus will become plus, there is no negative square number. Okay, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, minus 24 divided by 2 2s are 4. So that equal to the 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24 we got here, that is 25. 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 2, 25 divided by 4. Okay, so then x equals what happen here? Here always the x. Okay, you can mention or not, there will be the x. So it will become 7 plus or minus the square number for 25 is, we know that that is a 5, divided by 4. So the next step is we can take two values here. One is x equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or one more value 7 plus or minus is there, no, 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So x equal to 7 plus 5, in the sense 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4, or 7 minus 5 in the sense that is 2 divided by 4 we can take. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x equal to, x value is 3, or one more value is 1 by 2. Okay, like that we can write. The roots are, x values we got, no, total roots, the roots are 3 or 1 by 2. So this is the answer, and this is the method to find out the roots by using the formula. So this formula is very important. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us take one more sum related to that. So that in the same method. So let us solve that. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. This is the sum. Next sum it is. So let's write in the general formula of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now it is easy to write you the a, b and c value. So in the place of a there is a 2, and in the place of b there is a 1, and in the place of c there is a minus 4. Okay, a, b, c. So in the same way, let us apply the quadratic equation formula, that is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You have to learn, students, this is very important formula. So that x equal to, substitute the values, b value is 1, that means minus 1, minus already is there, b value 1 plus or minus square root of b square, in the sense 1 square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is minus 4 divided by 2a in the sense 2 into 2. Okay, so that equal to, x equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square means 1 square means 1, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 divided by 2 2s are 4. So that equal to, you can continue here or else. Okay, sorry, this root not required. One more step we have to do here only. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 4. So there is no square number for 33. So we can write x equals, we can separate this, minus 1 plus square root 33 divided by 4, or minus 1 minus square root 33 divided by 4. So these are the roots of that equation. Let's write the last line. Roots are, which are the roots? Minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 4, or minus plus or minus is there, no, 1 for plus and 1 for minus, minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 4. So that's all. This is the way of finding the roots by applying the quadratic formula. Keep in mind which formula it is. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Hope you will understand. Thank you.